Now we are going to start our new topic, that is laws of conservation of momentum derivation. As I told earlier in our previous lectures, there are two objects having the mass m1 and m2 moving in the same direction with the initial velocity u1 and u2. If we are taking the force exerted by m1 is f1 and force exerted by m2 is f2, and acceleration caused by m1 is a1 and acceleration caused by m2 is a2. After time t, they both collide to each other and moves opposite to each other with the uniform velocity, that is v1 and v2, having mass m1 and m2. This all change happen in time t, and the time for first object will be t1 and time for second object will be t2, and these both time are equal to each other. Clear? So after this we can take the help of the third equation of third rule, that is every object exert equal and opposite force on each other. That is, we can write it mathematically, f1 is equal to minus f2. So we can say this, here f1, here f is the force. So as we studied, force can be also written as mass into acceleration, where m is denotes mass, a denote acceleration. Got it clear? So, and here f denotes the force. So we can write here f1 is equal to minus f2. So f1 हम यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकते हैं, the multiplication of mass of first object into acceleration of the first object. So now we are going to start the derivation of this equation by the following method. Here we are writing it as m1 a1 is equal to minus m2 a2. Here a1 can be written as m1 v1 minus u1 upon t1. Here a2 can be written as v2 minus u2 upon, this is 1 not 2, so please listen it clearly, this is t2. From the following this equation we can say that t1 is equal to t2, so t1 cancels out t2. So we got equation m1 v1 minus u1 is equal to minus m2 v2 minus u2. So after solving this equation we get m1 v1 minus m1 u1 is equal to minus m2 v2 plus m2 u2. Okay, so after interchanging the signs we got it m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 m2 u2 plus m1 u1. So we can also write it as m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m2 u1 u2 plus m1 u1. It can be also on this position, it can also in this position. So this is the following equation we get as the law of conservation of momentum. So please learn it carefully. This is the whole derivation. I will also share the pic for this, so please learn it carefully.